Hello traders, the title of the video is what is a speculative Elliott count and how to use it. Right? I'm on the monthly chart of the dollar Swedish krona, right? And we're going to discuss what is a speculative Elliott count and how to use it. Right? The speculative Elliott count is the application of the Elliott principle in a risky way without taking into consideration the Elliott wave principle rules. That's it. So you are doing something that is a bit risky, you are aware of it, you are using the Elliott wave principle without worrying too much about the Elliott wave rules. All right. Now, usually, professional traders who understand the Elliott wave principle can play that kind of game. Also, trading algorithm, trading software are also doing that. It is not the best way to use the Elliott wave principle, but sometimes traders, Elliott wave traders, are doing that because of other reasons. Okay, for instance, they don't have enough data, or after counting the wave, normally they don't know what to do and they're just going with the flow. But if you are using the speculative Elliott count, what is the purpose of it? The purpose of it is to make a decision. So you will be using the speculative Elliott count to identify trading setup, but at the end of the day, you must use the different time frame trading method to control a bit the risk that you are taking. I'm happy that I said this at the beginning of this tutorial because it's very, very important, okay? So let's begin our speculative Elliott count for the dollar Swedish krona. So look, it's a message here, yes or no? Look at that. What can you do about that? Normally, looking at the chart like this, what we pay attention to as a technical trader, you can see that the price went round. You see here, you see this round here? You see I draw this line before, you see? It's like a neckline here. I didn't put it all the way to the top there. It formed a kind of V pattern. That's all we do. That's all we do care about. That's the depth of that V pattern, and then we project it up above, okay? The neckline. And then also we draw the midpoint target. So there's an ultimate target up there, and there is a midpoint. When we divide this measuring stick that is far, far up there into two. That's it. Right? Another thing that we can do very fast as a technical trader, after we have done that projection, because the price does not go up or down for no reason, it's always headed to a specific target level. First the midpoint target and then the ultimate target. Doesn't mean that the price will definitely reach those targets, but we do it. But the next thing, after seeing a V pattern like this, we will also, what the professional will do, they'll quickly measure Fibonacci retracement of the depth of that V pattern. So I'm going to change the color of my new Fibonacci retracement to black. Okay, make it a bit thick so you see all the black dotted line. And they want to watch the level, you see the 50% level. Is that correct? That's the 50% level here. And we will draw a line there. Why are they doing that? It's just because sometimes the price may form a V pattern and then they will try to pull it back down to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level before they bring it up. If it starts going up before that, it means that it's becoming very, very bullish. Because it performed, it went down, yeah, they push it down, and the bullish traders managed to push it back up. So it's a reversal, isn't it? Yes or no? Bearish traders dominate the market, push it all the way here. Bullish traders say, you are not bringing it further down. We're taking it from you now. Go away, so to speak. They take it, they bring it up to the starting point. So they clean, okay, all the activity of the bearish traders. So the idea is now that we don't want it to go down anymore, because okay, we managed to close the gap between the bearish trader and the bullish trader. So now if it's going down, they don't want it to go down very much. That's why we draw this 50% level, which is the dividing line between the bullish zone above and the bearish zone below. So we are talking here about a cap and handle chart pattern. So after setting the target and the midpoint target, we are also thinking of the cap and handle chart pattern. That's it. That's what the technical trader will be doing. And they are paying attention to that here. And when you see a cap like this, and you see any bullish chart pattern on the side of the cap, it's a high probability. This is one here. In fact, it's a triple bottom. But let's not forget the topic that we are discussing today. All right, but we are talking about speculative wave count. So you say, okay, I'm an area wave trader. Okay, I want to work with area wave, George. I don't want to work with area wave, but it's a messy chart. So what you need to do is just do, okay, now I'm adopting the mindset of a speculative area wave trader. You know exactly what you are doing. You know how to handle it. This is the critical. Okay, so you go, okay, first wave, maybe, second wave, probably, third wave, maybe, fourth wave, and then fifth wave, yes or no? Now price coming down, you say, 1, 2, 3, it looks to be the A wave of the flat correction. So first thing coming to your mind. Now it form a double bottom. What do we do? To avoid confusion, just cover it. Cover that double bottom like it didn't happen. Let's start going. Now you see that's the B wave or the flat correction. Probably will come to 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of what? The fifth wave. Now here you can see the way I draw my Fibonacci extension. I use the closing price to the closing price. I didn't put it all the way to the top. Normally we should put it all the way to the top and all the way to the low unless it's a long tail, okay? But because I want to see it, that's why I did it like this. You can put it all the way there and all the way here. Because if I do that, you see my 138.2% will be somewhere up there. Because I want to see, that's why I put it there like that, okay? And then you say, all right, probably you come up here. And if you come up here, if you find a resistance, what do I mean by finding resistance? It means that the price action that brought it there, now the common settler is broken, and the candlestick bar on that time frame is closed. So if find a resistance, they will look for an opportunity to sell using different time frame trading method, and we will be expecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more down, forming a C wave. But one thing that we do not want to forget is that it doesn't mean that the price will definitely do our expectation. It can come here, which is a reversal zone, and if it breaks above the 138.2% level, break above, retest, and there is a signal. If there is no signal, you cannot buy. Break above, retest. It's a bullish trading setup, but you will only engage when there is a signal. So this is just to show you, okay, what is a speculative area wave count and how to use it. The speculative area wave count is the application of the area wave principle in a risky way without taking into consideration the area wave rule. So this is one demonstration here. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. First wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave. So what you need to understand, what we are doing here, we are not worrying too much about the violation of the area wave rule. So don't put any comment there, say blah, 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 blah. I will not respond to those comments because it means that you do not understand what we are talking about here. We are talking about speculative area wave count when we are cutting a little bit of corner. But the idea of doing that is probably we are forced to do that, or our normal way of using the area wave principle, all right, didn't help in this case, all right? But we know exactly what we are doing. But though we are using this area wave in a risky way, we don't want, we are looking for trading setup. We are not just jumping all over the place, you see. So like now, you see, so we are counting where though, we say 1, 2, 3, like common setup is broken, okay, now you see. We will say, all right, probably the B will start. Now, when up, you come back down from the double bottom, you cover it. So you understand what you are doing, but you are not worrying too much, okay? You are not taking into consideration too much the area wave principle. Like here, you see there was a consolidation here. You can see in that horizontal channel there, you see. If you were here, all right, you are speculating area wave trader, okay? So price went down, Okay, that's the first reaction, yes or no? So that is consolidating. What's going to mind? You're going to think of what? A continuation is in bearish move down, minimum price move is free, stop there. Now it went up, it's consolidating. So you'll be banging it here to sell at the top, right? Yes or no? Okay? Because the dominant force bearish, you'll be very careful to stay here. You'll be more willing to take trade from the top instead of here. Though some people are doing that because it was down before. And you probably at this point you'll be saying, okay, one, okay, let's see, or maybe you say one, okay, 2, 3, 4. Well, there was one scenario that I found. One, you hit it there. 2, that candlestick bar there, and then you say 3, and then you say 4 and 5. So suppose you were here talking about speculative area of account, A, B, C, D, E. It's completed for you here. Prior move was bearish. You'll be banging here, expecting to sell it down and to maybe at least to form a double bottom chart pattern, yes or no? But here it went down a bit and only to come back. But though the prior move was down, okay, this, you see this move above the channel is betraying, okay, that the price has a more chance to go up, because this reaction here, people are eager to take it away, to run away with it, but they bring it back down again, blah blah blah, before you start running away. All right, okay, so you want to look for, so now we are at the resistance level. So suppose you are trading this, what I will say to you, priority to bull signal, because this candlestick bar is not yet closed. See, that's what we are talking about. If you want to play like this, say priority to bullish signal above 92947. If you're on a monthly chart, that candlestick bar must close. If you want to play it, you need to go to the weekly chart. This is one mistake that people are making. So that's last week there. See, last week, the doji. Yeah, doji. That's a line there. It's very important they take it there. Went down a bit, and then they push it up, and there were people selling there. So, after you have done even your speculative weight count, this is another important point. Draw your chart. You see, there's a pitchfork tool. Okay, because what is happening? A lot of area weight traders, they just want a beautiful weight count. So they don't want anything else. They say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and they don't want anything else. Okay, nothing wrong with that, but you need to map out the chart, because you need to find a hot spot trading zone. Like now the price at a hot spot trading zone. This one here. Alright? And the candlestick bar is closed, and then you implement a top-down trading method to trade it. Yeah, now you want to use different time frames. So now we're on a daily chart. Okay, anytime you change time frame, you are mapping out your chart. You're just making decision on every time frame. You want to see what's going on. Okay, that's the question. What's going on here? On that time frame, daily chart, what we have here, and then go to the hourly time frame, what's going on, and you just keep banging on it, try to see clearly what's happening now. People are trading this US dollar Swedish krona because it's the forex. Yeah, they push it up. We see this one here. Look at this, the triangle. What's here? There's a target there. See. They are not stopping there for no reason. This triangle is what is determining why people are coming out there now. I'm on the hourly time frame. Can you see that? Hourly time. That's it. It's what's going on all the time. Push it. Well, target. And here it is coming back down. So map it out on any time frame. Any time frame, you're just doing it non-stop. It's automatic. You just go. Am I talking too much today? Maybe. Then again, you are on the 10-minute time frame, you get somebody on the 10-minute time frame. What do you see? A round, it went round, isn't it? That's what we are talking about. You see, this round, you see? Is he a predictive fractal pattern about can we use this round pattern and this price action as a predictive fractal pattern for what we have seen on the monthly chart? Okay. Am I talking too much? In all, you want to follow the trading rate again. But yes or no? On the 10-minute time frame, where is he going? See what's going on now? On the hourly time frame, there was a target there again here. If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section. And of course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been totally useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial that can help other Elliott traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. So this will conclude our discussion today about what is a speculative Elliott account and how to use it. Sometime I'm posting video first on Facebook. My Facebook page is stochastic-macd. Follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for Elliott wave trading is 24 Elliott waves, digit 2, digit 4 Elliott waves in plural. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. To learn more about Elliott wave trading, go to www.24elliottwaves.com. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about what is a speculative Elliott account and how to use it. Happy to meet you all, and I will speak to you soon. A trader did ask me about a line that I draw, a trend line that I draw when I was analyzing a chart. Your question has been noted, and I will answer it in due course. All right, it's about a bank we were analyzing yesterday. NBS is a BNS stock, B Bravo November Sierra stock. Okay, so I will be posting a video. When the video is ready, you will see it there. Okay, thank you. Happy to meet you all.